Hello, everyone. I am so glad that you have registered for this workshop and you're joining us on learning how you can change the stressors in your work, in your life, into opportunities. A couple of things. Number one, this is going to be an interactive workshop, so please bring your whole self. And if possible, have your camera on so other people can see your face and can feel your presence. Number two, this is a fundraiser for school, so please feel free to share with friends. And this is a topic that pretty much everyone can relate to it at this time, especially. And number three, you will also receive some bonus materials regarding taking a productive pause, which has proved to be very uplifting and amazing for a lot of people who have done it. So I encourage you to take advantage of it. I look forward to seeing you in our workshop.